Hi, I'm Haley, and I'm so excited to announce our 200 collection of Megavolume fans today. With these crystallized fans, you can cut your time of lashing in half. So where it would take you an hour and a half before, now it would take you 45 minutes because they're made for you. They're perfect, ready to go. You just dip it in adhesive and you apply them. The bottoms are so pointed. They're crystallized at the bottom, so they're not gonna have like the extra adhesive that you would normally see on a pre-made fan. They're so seamless, they're symmetrical, and a classic lash artist can apply them. Our Megavolume crystallized fans are 10D 0.03s, so they're super thin lashes, but there's a lot of them, so they create that really dense Megavolume look. Our Megavolume crystallized fans are so versatile, so you can use them for volume sets, for Megavolume sets, for hybrid sets. If you're a volume lash artist and you're looking to get in the Megavolume space, or if you're a classic lash artist, they save you time and they allow you to add more variety to your lash menu. My personal experience with these fans has been amazing. My favorite thing about them is the amount of time that they save the lash artist. So I get my lashes done, I only have 30 minutes and we do them every 2 weeks. They always look amazing and they're just a huge time saver. So I love that I can get a Megavolume look in 30 minutes. So this allows you to do Megavolume sets that you might not have been able to do before, because a lot of clients are looking for that dense look, and I love them because I can provide a very Megavolume set in half the time. So I think that's my favorite thing, is giving someone a Megavolume set in half the time. They open their eyes and they're so amazed that you were able to do that. I can't wait for you guys to try these new lashes. I think you're gonna love them. Make sure you tag us so we can see your work and we can repost it. And make sure you're following us on YouTube and Instagram and subscribe so you can get more tips and tricks.